Yo guys, what's good? Justin or OVO update back again with another video, and today I'm going to be telling you guys 3 things that you need to make your room better, displaying OVO, presenting OVO, and just necessities to have for your rooms, your bedrooms, all that good stuff. So this is going to be a quick video. I hope you guys do enjoy, and without further ado, let's get straight into it. So as you guys see behind me, we have 2 things from the 3 off the bat that you definitely need for your room, starting with the hangers. So as you guys can see here, we have black wooden hangers. These ones are amazing for displaying your OVO because the black hanger looks super clean, from jackets all the way to shirts, long sleeves, and hoodies. It really does make your closet look super clean, and I'm gonna give you guys an example with my personal closet. So as you guys can see, this is my closet, and it really gives a nice, clean, flush look from your hoodies to t-shirts. So again, this looks way better than your plastic or sort of felt material ones, especially with this nice stainless steel topping to it. Really gives a clean look, as you guys can see here. And it does have the nice rivets right here, as well as a piece across, so you can actually put pants, which is what I do over here. You put the pants up on there, and it really does give a nice look. So hangers, if you guys do need hangers, I'm gonna leave a link listed below. Go grab them. They're like 20-30 bucks, and you get a nice pack. Definitely recommend picking them up because it really does change the complete look of your closet. So if you guys are interested in getting hangers for your closet, I'm gonna leave links below, as you guys can see up on screen now, to the hangers. Very cheap, super affordable, and I'm pretty sure there's free shipping as well. So again, hangers, super important for your closet. All right guys, and next up we have something you can actually hold your clothes on. So I picked this one up. It came all black. This one doesn't have any compartments underneath, but I know you can get some that stores stuff with 2 levels to it, so I'm gonna have that one linked below as well. But again, if you run out of closet space like I have, or you just want to show off some of your clothes, have it in a nice little section or part of your room, this is a great way to do so. I've seen a few people that have multiple of these stacked up, and it looks awesome, especially when it's filled up with a bunch of heat, which I know you guys have a ton of. Awesome thing to have. This one was around $50, I want to say. Really sturdy, but I do have one linked in the description down below. I definitely recommend checking it out because it really does add a good look to your room. All right guys, and last but not least, we have a display case. Now you could display your stuff, your OVO accessories, and other things in many different ways, but you could either do the glass case like you guys see on the screen now, or you could do some sort of cabinet style, which is kind of what I have. So I'm gonna turn the camera on and show you what I got. So as you guys see here, we have a cabinet with many different layers. On top, I got my OVO stuff, and this is a great way to display your OVO when you're out in your room or just out by your living area. Again, I got my shoes here as well, some accessories. This is honestly an awesome thing to have. I definitely like this more than a display case, just because it's not in the glass, but you guys have it. This is the cabinet, and I do have something like this linked below. Again, definitely recommend checking one of these out. So if you guys did enjoy today's video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.